The Appellate Division First Department is now in session. Good morning to you all. Welcome to the Appellate Division's virtual admission ceremony. Ms. Guerrero, would you please proceed?
Good morning, may it please the court. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored to present 34 applicants to the court for admission to the bar. Each of these applicants has met all of the requirements necessary for admission to the New York State Bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each and every candidate here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York. Therefore, I do hereby move for their admission.
Thank you. Ms. Guerrero, in advance of today's ceremony, my colleagues and I have considered this very important motion to admit these candidates to the bar, and they've authorized me to grant the motion. So the motion is granted.
Thank you.
As always, Ms. Guerrero, I ask that you please extend the sincerest thanks of the court to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness for continuing to make great efforts, particularly under these extraordinary circumstances, to ensure that each of the candidates before us do indeed meet the important requirements for admission to the bar of the state of New York. These committee members work pro bono without compensation, and my colleagues and I truly appreciate their service in helping to keep the admissions process running smoothly. So thank you, and please extend our thanks to them.
I will. Thank you.
Thank you. The clerk of the court, Susanna Rojas, will now administer the oath of office.
Good afternoon, Justice Renwick. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath of office in a form of a question. At the end, I will ask everyone to unmute their microphones and respond by saying, "I do." At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and please mute your microphones.
Congratulations. Congratulations to all of you. On occasions as auspicious as these, one of the justices addresses the new attorneys, and this afternoon, that pleasure falls to my distinguished colleague, Justice Angela Mazzarelli.
Thank you very much, Justice Renwick, and congratulations to all of the new attorneys. This is truly a momentous day for you and for your families. Each of you has worked very hard to reach this milestone, and it is to be celebrated. We all know that these are extraordinary times. Just the fact that this ceremony is being done virtually exemplifies that. Nonetheless, it should not detract from the joy and the importance of the day for you. Being a lawyer is a great honor and a privilege. It gives you the knowledge and the ability to affect the lives of many people in a positive way. The legal system and lawyers are and have been the most important vehicle for social change throughout the history of our country in every area. Without lawyers and their courageous acts, no progress would have been made in the areas of civil rights, gender equality, equal access for all to economic opportunity, and equal protection for every person under the law. Recent events have shown how crucial this is. However, we all know that we still have a long road ahead to fully achieve these goals. And it will be lawyers like you who will work to reach those goals. I hope that when conditions permit, you will visit our beautiful courthouse and courtroom and take in their magnificence. When we perform this ceremony in the courtroom, I talk about the beauty and the majesty that surrounds us and what an honor and a privilege it is to be in that room. I point out its magnificent and meaningful art, which exemplifies important concepts in the law. There are murals depicting power, wisdom, and justice, the pillars of our legal system. I mentioned that 2 of the current United States Supreme Court justices and one who has recently passed away were sworn in there in our courtroom. Elena Kagan, Sonia Sotomayor, and Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But there are also many other famous lawyers who have been members of the New York Bar. Benjamin Cardozo, Louis Brandeis, Franklin Delano Roosevelt, John Fitzgerald Kennedy, Thurgood Marshall, to name only a few. Each of you has now joined that same bar, the New York State Bar, and each of you has the opportunity to follow their greatness. You are limited only by your imagination and your energy. So go, celebrate your accomplishments, and forge ahead and work toward achieving justice for all. Thank you.
Thank you, Justice Mazzarelli. This admission ceremony is now concluded. Court is adjourned. Congratulations and good luck. Enjoy the day.
Thank you to the justices and Ms. Rojas. They'll log off, and all of the new attorneys will remain on with me.